Good morning, everyone. My name is Alika Maharani, and today I will present my project entitled A Deep Dive into Computer Architecture and Modern Hardware. In this presentation, I will explain what a computer is, how computers are classified, the role of operation system, and the importance of hardware and modern technology. I hope this presentation will help you understand the basic concept of computer architecture. Let's begin. Let's talk about what a computer is. A computer is a program electronic device that receives data, processes it, forwarding to instruction, store it, and produces output. Information. Every computer works through four main stages: input, processing, storage, and output. These stages are called the data processing cycle. A computer also depends on both hardware and software. Hardware is the physical part of the computer, while software provides the information that allow the hardware to work. Over time, computers have evolved from large mainframes into smaller, faster, and more energy efficient devices such as laptops and personal computers. Now let's look at the different types of computer. First, supercomputers are the most powerful computers. They are used for scientific research, weather, forecasting, and complex calculation. Second, mainframe computers are commonly used by large companies, banks, and government organizations because they can process huge amounts of data securely. Finally, microphones are the computers we use every day, such as desktop computer and laptops. They are designed for personal and business use. Next, I will explain the main function of operation system. The first function is resource management. The operation system manages the CPU, memory, and storage so that application can run efficiently. The second function is provisioning is user interface. It allows user to interact with the computer through graphical interface like windows and icons or command line interface. The third function is file system control. The operation system organizes files, protects data, and makes it easier to store and retrieve information. Let's discuss hardware. Hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer that we can see and touch. Unlike software, hardware performs the actual work of processing data and running programs. The quality of the hardware directly affects the computer's speed, performance, stability, and overall capability. Without hardware, software cannot function. These slides explain the input and output architecture. Also known as input or output architecture, input devices are asked to enter data into the computer. Examples include keyboards, mic, and microphone. Output devices display or produce the process information, such as monitor and printers. Data is transferred through peripheral interface such as USB-C, HDMI, and Thunderbolt, which provides fast and advanced communication on between devices. Hardware can be divided into four main categories. The first is input device, which receives data from user. The second is processing units, including the CPU and motherboard, which process instruction and control the system. The third is storage devices such as SSDs and HDDs, which save data into temporarily or permanently. The last category is output device, which present information to user through monitor, present printers, and other display devices. In conclusion, a computer is a combination of hardware and software working together. Hardware provides the physical components, while software controls how those components operate. Understanding computer hardware helps us improve system performance, prevents technical problems, and adds technology more effectively. To my presentation, if you have any question, I will be happy to answer